Okay, it's Connor's turn to have fun with Daddy. Cooper's not happy. Cooper's not happy. He wants to be thrown around like Connor. Now Cooper's happier. For Connor, the higher, the faster, the better. Although it usually ends in vomit.
Huh?
I said, although it usually ends in vomit. Look at Cooper. Cooper's like, it's my turn, Daddy. It's my turn. Oh. Can Daddy bounce too, boys? Daddy's sitting on a bouncy ball. Cooper, be sweet. Be sweet. Okay, boys. Say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Cooper, Cooper, be sweet.